Welcome to this amazing video showcasing the breathtaking beauty of the Southwest Florida. As we dive into this video, you'll witness a drone's perspective of capturing the pristine beaches and the stunning green waters of this incredible region. As the drone rises above the shoreline, you can see the warm, golden sand stretching out as far as the eye can see, accompanied by the gentle sound of laughter and sprinkles from the waves crashing against the shore. The crystal clear water of the Florida Gulf coast is a stark contrast to the sand, reflecting the beautiful blue sky above and the intricate patterns of the drone's wings. As the drone zooms in on the water, you can see the serene beauty of the natural coral reefs and the vibrant marine life that inhabits these waters, from dolphins jumping to fish swimming and turtles swimming, who love the great outdoors and nature. The drone's flight also highlights the picturesque landscape of the region, with lush green trees swaying in the breeze and charming rustic villas nestled in the background. Vegetation perfectly contrasts with the turquoise waters and the white sand of the beach, creating a visual feast for the eyes. In the end, this drone flight showcases the best of the Southwest Florida, from its breathtaking beaches and crystal clear waters to its lush landscapes and diverse marine life. Whether you're a local or a visitor, this region offers a unique and unforgettable experience that is sure to leave you in awe of its beauty. The vibrant colors of the Southwest Florida's waters are a haven for those